Go to Google and search for the carrier's website, for example FedEx, UPS, or whichever carrier Amazon selected for your region. Go to the official site. When the site loads, accept any necessary cookie permissions. Navigate to the shipping menu and choose the option Schedule a Collection. This will open a collection booking form. If you already have an account with the carrier, certain fields may autofill. Creating an account is usually free. In this demonstration, we are not signed in, so we will complete everything manually. The first question will ask whether you have a pre-printed label. Select Yes, because you have already printed your box label. Enter the tracking number you copied earlier into the field. If you are shipping multiple boxes, each box will have a different tracking number. To enter multiple numbers, type the first one, add a comma, add a space or no space, and then type the next number, and so on. Next, enter your company or business name. Then provide the full collection address. This is where the driver will come to pick up your package. If you cannot be at home during the collection window, you can arrange the pickup at a friend's house or any address where someone will be present. The driver will go strictly to the address you enter, so make sure the details are correct. Now add the package information. Enter how many boxes you are sending and the total weight. For example, if you are sending one box weighing 10 kilograms, choose 1 and enter 10 kilograms. If you are sending 10 boxes weighing 10 kilograms each, you would enter 100 kilograms. The carrier needs this data so they can allocate the appropriate driver and vehicle. Next, you must also indicate whether any of your boxes weigh more than 32 kilograms. After that, you can choose your preferred collection time window. The carrier service is very flexible, and depending on your location and their cutoff times, they may be able to collect your shipment as soon as the next day. Most carriers work within a several-hour window for pickups. Choose your collection location preference, type your email address, and click Next. After clicking Next, review all the information carefully and press Confirm. Many people accidentally skip the confirmation step, which results in the driver not arriving. Once you confirm, the process is complete.